Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bento login issues in 2026. If you're unable to sign in to your Bento account or keep getting login errors, this guide will walk you through the most common solutions step by step. First, open your web browser and make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the login page from loading correctly. Next, double-check your email address and password. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, extra spaces, or incorrect capitalization before trying again. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password option on the login page. Enter your email address and follow the instructions in the password reset email to create a new password. Now, if the reset email doesn't arrive, check your spam or junk folder. It may take a few minutes before the message appears. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try signing in again. You can also use an incognito window or a different browser to see if the issue is browser-related. If you normally sign in with Google or another connected account, make sure you're using the same sign-in method that you used when creating your Bento account. Finally, if you're still unable to log in, contact Bento support and provide details about the issue or any error messages you're receiving. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Bento login issues step by step. You should now be able to access your account without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.